Welcome to English Learning Podcast. This is a calm place, a friendly place, a place where you learn real English, slowly, clearly, and with confidence. In today's episode, we are talking about money. Money is a part of everyday life. We talk about money at work, at home, in shops, and with friends. But for many learners, talking about money in English feels difficult. In this episode, you will learn simple English sentences to talk about money naturally. You will learn how to talk about your income, your expenses, your budget, and your feelings about money. You can listen. You can repeat. You can speak along with me. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. What is money? Money is something we use to buy things. We use money to pay bills, to buy food, to pay rent, and to live our daily lives. Money can be cash, a card, or digital money. People earn money by working. People spend money on things they need and things they want. Now repeat after me. Money is important. Money helps us live. We use money every day. Good job. Talking about income. Income means the money you earn. You earn money from your job or your business. Let's practice simple sentences. I earn money from my job. I work full-time. I work part-time. I have a salary. I get paid every month. Repeat. I have a salary. I get paid every month. Very good. If you are not working, you can say, I am looking for a job. I am a student. I am not working right now. Repeat. I am looking for a job. Excellent. Talking about salary. Salary is the money you receive regularly for your work. You can talk about salary without saying exact numbers. You can say, my salary is good. My salary is okay. My salary is low. I am happy with my salary. Repeat. I am happy with my salary. Good. If you want to be careful, you can say, I prefer not to talk about my salary. That is polite and normal. Repeat. I prefer not to talk about my salary. Perfect. Talking about expenses. Expenses are the money you spend. Everyone has expenses. Let's practice. I pay rent. I pay bills. I buy groceries. I pay for transportation. Repeat. I pay bills. I buy groceries. Very good. You can also say, my expenses are high. My expenses are low. I try to control my expenses. Repeat. I try to control my expenses. Excellent. Talking about saving money. Saving money is important. Saving means you do not spend all your money. You keep some money for the future. Let's practice. I save money every month. I am trying to save money. I save money for emergencies. Repeat. I am trying to save money. Good. You can also say, I want to save more money. Saving money is not easy. Repeat. Saving money is not easy. True and honest. Talking about spending money. Spending money is part of life. You can say, I spend money on food. I spend money on clothes. I spend money on travel. Repeat. I spend money on food. Good. You can also talk about habits. I spend carefully. I try not to waste money. I sometimes spend too much. Repeat. I try not to waste money. Excellent. Talking about a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you decide how much to spend and how much to save. Let's practice. I have a budget. I follow my budget. I am learning to budget. Repeat. I have a budget. Very good. You can also say, my budget is tight. I need to stick to my budget. Repeat. I need to stick to my budget. Nice work. Talking about prices. Prices are the cost of things. Let's practice. This is expensive. This is cheap. This is affordable. This is too expensive for me. Repeat. This is affordable. Good. You can also ask, how much is this? Is there a discount? Repeat. How much is this? Perfect. Talking about paying. Let's talk about paying. You can say, I will pay in cash. I will pay by card. I paid already. Repeat. I will pay by card. Good. You can also say, can I pay later? Is installment payment available? Repeat. Can I pay later? Excellent.